accumulation and trapping of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide in Earth's atmosphere is called the greenhouse effect, which causes an increase in global temperatures, rising sea levels, stronger and more frequent storms, a loss of biodiversity and ecosystems, an increase in vector-borne diseases, a shift in agriculture, and displacement of populations. Carbon dioxide emissions have increased significantly since the Industrial Revolution, as use of fossil fuels, which release carbon dioxide when burned, increased. Electricity burns with fossil fuel coal. Transportation burns with fossil fuel gasoline. Carbon moves in a pattern called the carbon cycle, which humans have altered by adding more carbon dioxide and by influencing the ability of natural sinks to remove carbon dioxide. What can we do about this? The answer is carbon sequestration, which is the process of capturing and storing carbon dioxide. The two types are terrestrial and geological.
There are many methods of capturing carbon dioxide. We can use methods already formed for capturing carbon dioxide used by companies such as beverage carbonation companies or dry ice manufacturing companies. We can also burn coal and pure oxygen, so it's easier to separate the carbon emissions. However, this raises the problem of separating pure oxygen from regular air. There are also alternate methods for using coal, such as coal gasification, which creates different emissions that are easier to use for many different products. There are multiple methods and challenges to storing carbon as well. We can store it underground as a hyperpressurized liquid in depleted oil fields and sedimentary brine fields. However, bad leaks could happen, and this could be a problem as one leak can destroy the entire system. To get rid of leaks, we can start storing carbon below the ocean floor, where the risk of leaks aren't as large. We can also use natural processes, such as the formation of limestone, to store carbon.
Why carbon sequestration matters. This method comes with many benefits. Once utilized, the practice helps the Earth and those organisms on it. Sequestration prevents global climate change by enhancing carbon storage in plants and the surrounding soil. This can also reduce emissions of carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide in the air. Sequestration also reduces the frequency of health problems caused by greenhouse gases. Once done so, it can cut annual health-related expenses in the United States by $6 to $14 million.
In recent years, concern over global warming has grown, while fossil fuels and their industries have begun to decline, resulting in job loss and recession in affected communities. The solution to this problem is carbon sequestration. Carbon sequestration decreases total emissions and can be used to increase production. For example, recaptured carbon can be used in a process known as enhanced oil recovery to recover crude oil that was previously unreachable. President Trump is interested in a revitalization of the coal industry and supports clean coal, which would make it easier to implement the changes needed. Carbon capture and storage is not cheap, nor is it easy. There are many potential problems. However, these factors can be reduced and worked around. A reduction of carbon in the atmosphere is vital to the health of our planet and its people.